Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to change the name of the documents or the name of the files on a Google Drive. So first thing we're gonna do is open the Google Drive. Okay, after we are generated into the page of the Google Drive, please take a look on this bottom line here, and you can just go into the files, and now you can choose which documents or which files that you want to change the names to. So here I want to change this. If you can see here, the name of the file is CPM35 and blah blah blah, and I want to make it shorter. So how to rename it? You just need to click these three small dots, and after that you just need to scrolling down these tools until you found a rename tool right here. You just need to click it. Now you just need to type the name of the file that you want to add here. Okay, first let's delete the name, and now we enter the new name. Okay, and after you're done, you just need to click rename, and now you already changed the name. Your file now already have the new name that you type before here. That's all the way how you change the name of the documents on a Google Drive. If you find out this video is really useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.